Hello, this is my demo for a stretchy IK handle. So I already went through the trouble of making the joints and then making a CV curve by snapping it to each of the joints, and then making control joints as you see here, and then binding the curve to those control joints so that it can move around. And so now what I'm going to do next is make the spline IK handle. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into create spline IK handle, and you're going to click the option box, and then you're going to off click auto create curve because you don't need that, and then you're going to go to your joint chain and select your joints obviously, and then you're going to shift select, well control select if you're doing it in the outliner, your curve, and that will create your IK handle. Okay, and then next you are going to go into your node editor. If I can find. There it is. Okay, you're going to go into your node editor with your, sorry, I was test running. New tab. Okay, you're going to select your CV curve and add it. There it is. And then you're going to go to your meld tab. Like this. And you're going to do arc length space ch, well sorry, minus ch1, and then you're going to run that, and that will bring up a little info node in your node editor. And then you're going to tab in a multiply divide, and then you're going to open those up so you can see arc length, and then you're going to open up your, well, drag it to your input X, but it can also be through input Y, whatever you want. And then we're going to take a quick break from the node editor, and we're going to go to our attribute editor, and we are going to copy the yellow box and just paste it into the second input. This will make it so the stretch will happen evenly. And then we are going to also set it to divide. And then we are going to go into our joint chain and select them all, and then we're going to add them to our node editor. And it did it funky. Rude. Just move it over here. Okay, and then at this point we need to know what axis we're going to stretch our system along. So in my case, I'm going to select the joint and I want to stretch it this way, and that would be on translate X, so that would be on my X axis. So I'm going to take these, and I'm going to open up my joints, not that, and open the scale. And so I'm going to take the output X, since I did input X, and drag it into scale X. And close that, and then proceed to do that with all of my joints. Beautiful. And then you shouldn't need to do it for the last one. And we'll close that up. And then we just need to check it. So take one of your control joints and move her around. And see, it follows the curve while also being able to stretch. Anyways, that is how you make a stretchy spline IK handle.